Chapter 11 Decimal Fraction. Decimals, the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as decimal fraction. For example, 3 by 10, 8 by 100, 63 by 1000. These all are decimal fractions. So first we are talking about tenth. Tenth means like 1 by 10, and how we write it? Dot point 1. Tenths are fraction with the denominator 10. Let us divide a figure into 10 equal parts. Then one part is showing 1 by 10. So one shaded part represents 1 by 10 of the whole figure. So we denote it by like this, 1 by 10, and it is read as 0.1. How we can write it? 0.1. So now we are taking 2 out of 10. So this is 2 by 10 of the whole figure, 2 tenth. And how we can write it? 0.2. Right? Now we can continue the tenth in the following chart, like fractional number, decimal fraction with a decimal point, and read as, so 1 tenth, 1 by 10, 0.1, decimal 1. 2 tenth, 2 by 10, 0.2, decimal 2. 3 tenth, 3 by 10, 0.3, decimal 3. 4 tenth, 4 by 10, 0.4, decimal 4. 5 tenth, 5 by 10, 0.5, decimal 5. 6 tenth, 6 by 10, 0.6, decimal 6, like this. So here suppose 10 tenth, 10 by 10, this becomes 1. 1.0, 1 decimal 0. 11 tenth, 11 by 10, this is 1.1. So 1 decimal 1. 12 tenth, 12 by 10, this is 1.2, 1 decimal 2. So remember, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. are usually written as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. Now exercise 11.1 A part, copy the above chart in your exercise book. We can show these decimal fraction on the number line. So we can try this one. Essay B part, copy the above decimal fraction on the number line in your notebook. Thus we see that a decimal fraction with 10 as denominator has one digit after the decimal point. Now the next we are talking about 100. 100 means 1 by 100. And how we can write? 0.01. So let us divide a figure into 100 equal parts. Shade one part. This is showing 1 upon 100. 1 out of 100. So fun facts, a decimal is a fraction where its denominator is a power of 10. Means 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, etc. So now the shaded portion represents 100th means 1 by 100. And how we can write it? 0.01. And how we can read it? Decimal 01. So in general we have now fractional number, common fraction, decimal fraction, and how we can read it like 100. So 1 upon 100, 0.01, decimal 01. 200th, 2 upon 100, 0.02, decimal 02. 900th, 9 upon 100, 0.09, decimal 09. 1000th, 10 upon 100, 0.10, decimal 10. 6300th, 63 upon 100, 0.63, decimal 63. 9900th, 99 upon 100, 0.99, decimal 99. So in this way we are getting what? We are getting like 1 by 100, 0.01, 2 by 100, 0.02, 12 by 100, 0.12, 99 by 100, 0.99. So we remind here that a decimal fraction with 1000 as denominator will have 3 digits after the decimal point. Here we have 2 digits after decimal. So if denominator is 1000, then we have 3 digits after decimal. So see example 1, write the following in decimal, like A part 24 by 10. So 10 as a denominator, so 2.4. So we have to place decimal before one digit from the right. Okay. So 24 by 100 hai. So we have to put the decimal before 2 digits from the right. This becomes 0.24. 124 upon 10, this is 12.4. place decimal before one digit from the right. Now D part 124 by 100, place decimal before two digits from the right. This is 1.24. Now exercise 11.2, question number 1, write the following fractions in decimals. Like here C part 12 upon 10, this is 1.2. D part 1 whole 25 upon 10. So first convert into improper. What will you get? This is 10 into 1, 10 plus 25, 35 upon 10. So this is 3.5. Okay. So now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the second, write the decimal fraction for the shaded part. So like here C part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.5. A fraction hai, you can write like this also. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. 2 to 4 to 6. 6 are shaded. So 0.6. Now third question you can try on your own. Now here the next we are talking about 1000, means 1 upon 1000, or this is 0.001. So suppose a three-dimensional figure 10 into 10 into 10 is divided into 1000 equal parts and one part is taken out. So one part is representing 1000 part, means 1 upon 1000 of the whole. So how we can write it? 0.001, and how we can read it? Decimal 001, right? Now a decimal fraction with 1000 as denominator has 3 digits after the decimal point. So now we can continue the 1000 in the following chart, like fractional number, common fraction, decimal fraction, and how we can read it. So 1000 means 1 upon 1000. So this is 0.001, decimal 001. 2000 means 2 upon 1000, 0.002, decimal 002. 3000 means 3 upon 1000, 0.003, decimal 003. So like this. See 99,000, so 99 upon 1000, so 0.099, decimal 099. Suppose 101,000, so 101 upon 1000, this is 0.101, decimal 101. So like this. So digits after the decimal point are read separately. While writing thousands, we add extra zeros if required to make 3 digits after the decimal point. So now here exercise 11.3, write the decimal fraction from 0.001 to 0.110 in a table in your notebook. Do not write common fraction or names of the fraction. Now we are talking about mixed decimals. A decimal fraction has two parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. These parts are separated by a dot point, decimal point. Whole number part is to the left of the decimal point while the decimal part is to the right. The absence of any of the part is shown by 0. Like 0.53 may be written as 0.53. And 69 may be written as 69.0. 23.04, how we can read it? 23.04. 159.347, how we can read it? 159.347. Now decimal places. In a decimal, the number of digits after the decimal point is known as number of decimal places. Like here 315.94, it has 2 places of decimal. Like 315.94, it has 2 places of decimal, and 10.305, it has 3 places of decimal. Now rule for converting decimal into a common fraction. Step 1, take the given decimal without the decimal point as the numerator, and step 2, form a number by annexing as many zeros to the right of 1 as the number of decimal places in the given decimal. So take some example like 3.7. So here अब हम न्यूमरेटर में विदाउट डेसिमल लिख देंगे 37 एंड हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर आफ्टर डेसिमल 1, इट मीन्स नीचे आ जाएगा 10. द सेकेंड इज 2.31, so 231 is the numerator and denominator में 1 and how many 2 zeros 100. Then 0.007, so then 7 upon 1000 etc. Now exercise 11.4, convert the following decimal numbers into common fraction. So like C part 0.31, so this is 31 upon 100. So like this you can try. Now decimal fraction in the place value chart. To understand the 10th, 100th and 1000 clearly, we extend the place value chart to the right of ones. We can write like 0.1, 0.01 and 0.001 in the place value chart as follow. So like 1/10. So 10, 100, 1000. 1/10 means 0.1. So 1 under 10 and here nothing. 100 means 0.01 and 1000 means 1 upon 1000, that is 0.001. Now example 2, write the following decimal fraction in the place value chart. So how to write? Like A part 25.6. So first write the place value like ones, tens, 100,000 and then decimal point, then 10, 100,000. Now the first number is 25.6. So first write the whole part, 5 and 2, 5 at 1's place, 2 at 10's place. Now decimal point here and 6 at 10. Now B part 187.23. So now write the whole part, 7, 8 and 1, then decimal point 2 at 10 and 3 at 100. Now C part 1379.527. So now write the digit and then dot here 527. So very simple, very easy. Now we are talking about expanded form. Expanded form of the above decimal fraction are the following, like 25.6. So how we can write? 20 plus 5 plus 0.6, or we can write 20 plus 5 plus 6 upon 10. 187.23, 100 plus 80 plus 7 plus 0.2 plus 0.03, and how we can write? 100 plus 80 plus 7 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100. The next 1379.527. So 1000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 9 plus 0.5 plus 0.02 plus 0.007, or we can write like this: 1000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 9 plus 5 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So we add 0 to make required number of places after the decimal point. Now place value of each digit. Example 3, write the place value of each digit. Now place value of each digit. Now example 3, write the place value of each digit in 368.724. Now first write the number. Now we can say 4 is at 1000 place. So 4 upon 1000 or 0.004. 2 is at 100. So 2 hundredths or 2 by 100 or 0.02. Now 7 is at 10. 7 tenth or 7 by 10 or 0.7. Now 8 ones, 8. 6 tens, 6060, and 3 hundreds, 300. Now 300 or 300. Now example 4, A part 400 plus 30 plus 5 plus 0.3 plus 0.01 plus 0.007. So what is the number? This is 435.317. Then B part 500 plus 70 plus 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. So this is 574.289. This is the answer. Now we are talking about equivalent decimal fractions of like 4 by 10. So 4 into 10, 10 into 10, 40 by 100. So 0.4 and 0.40, these are same thing, okay? Or we can do 4 by 10, multiply by 100, multiply by 100, 400 by 1000, we can write 0.400. So these are equivalent decimal fraction. But 0.40 and 0.040 are not equivalent. So be very careful, because 0.40 means 40 by 100 and 0.040 means 40 by 1000. That's why these are not equivalent. Now brain booster, in order to convert a mixed fraction to decimal, we first change the mixed fraction to an improper fraction and then convert to a decimal number. Now exercise 11.5, first question, write in expanded form decimals, so we can do it. Then the second one, write in the short form, like B part, 7 plus 7 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. This is 7.732. Now third question, write the place value of each digit, like B part, 24.375. So what will you write? 20 plus 4 plus 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth one, are these fraction equivalent? Answer in yes or no. So you can try this one. Now we are doing multiple choice question MCQ. Take the correct answer. The first 70 hundredths is written as, so 70 hundredths means 70 upon 100, so 0.70. This is right. The second one here, the decimal form of the fraction 9 by 100 is 0.09. C part. The third, 46.3 equals 2. This is 46 whole 3 by 10. Okay. Similarly, fourth one, this number upon 1000, so 93.671. So now enhance your learning. You can try these questions. We have experimental learning also. You can try, and some life skills question and thoughts. I hope the concept is very much clear to you.